In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall or undo a sent reply in Freshdesk. We all know that sinking feeling when you hit send on an email and immediately wish you could take it back. Well, if you're using Freshdesk and are on the Blossom plan or higher, you're in luck because this platform has a nifty feature called Undo Send that might just save your day. First, let's walk through how to enable this feature. Start by clicking on your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of the Freshdesk interface. This is your hub for personalizing your settings. Once you click there, you'll want to navigate to Profile Settings. It's in this section that you'll find various options for customizing how Freshdesk works for you. What we're focusing on today is the Undo Send option. Scroll through until you see it. Now, this is key. You'll want to toggle this feature on. Turning it on enables a small yet powerful safety net for your email communications. Once you've toggled it on, don't forget to save your changes. This will ensure that the Undo Send feature is active the next time you're working through your replies. Now, let's move on to using this feature once it's enabled. After you've crafted and sent a reply to a customer, Freshdesk will present you with an undo option right in the reply panel. Here's the catch, though. This option is only available for a short period, typically up to 10 seconds, so you have to act quickly. If you decide that you need to pull that email back, simply click the undo button within that small time frame, and like magic, it stops the message from being delivered. It's a simple tool, but it's incredibly helpful, giving you a brief moment to fix an error or rethink your message if needed. Try to keep this feature in mind every time you send an email, and remember not to rush this process. That immediate pause can make all the difference in maintaining professionalism and reducing back and forth with your clients. So to recap, remember to activate the Undo Send in your profile settings and use the feature promptly after sending a reply. And there you have it, a small step towards more mindful email management with a little extra peace of mind included. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing in Freshdesk.